Hey Yachty, Steam Guy here. Looking at this background, you're probably wondering what does a chicken, much less a laughing chicken, have to do with musical instruments? Well, we're going to use our chicken today to explain the difference between the electric guitar on the top and the acoustic guitar pictured on the bottom. The materials for today's activity are a plastic cup, a piece of paper towel, a string, something sharp to poke a hole in the cup like a nail, and something to tie the string off to like a paper clip or, as I have here, a small piece of wood. First, take your plastic cup and poke a hole in the center with your nail. Remove it. Next, take your piece of wood, tie it to the string so that it has a fixed end. Next, thread the end of the string through the hole you made in the cup and pull it down. You've really completed this, but it's a laughing chicken, so we want it to look like a chicken. So for goodness sakes, decorate it. Make it look like a chicken so when it laughs, it's a laughing chicken. Alright, let's make this chicken talk. Take your paper towel, fold it over a couple times, and wet it. Grab the cup with one hand tightly. Use your paper towel and grip the string tightly and pull. Did you hear that sound? Now, let's try this exact same thing again, but this time without the cup. Hold the stick and pull down on the string and listen. Did you hear the difference? So what's going on here? Well, the cup is what we call a resonance chamber. And as the vibrations are made on the string, they go up into the cup and the cup begins to vibrate and it vibrates the air inside of it. And those vibrations bounce around the cup until finally they get stronger and add up and make a bigger and louder wave. And that's what we hear coming out of the open end, or what we call the sounding hole. Now, if we did this again without the cup, when those vibrations went up, they would not hit anything, they wouldn't add together, and what we would make is a softer sound, and that's what we heard when we didn't use the cup in our demonstration. Let's see how this relates to our guitars. This is an electric guitar. Notice it doesn't have a sounding hole, it doesn't have a resonance box, and it also is not plugged in. Can you hear how soft it is? Plugged in, it would be very loud. Let's see how the acoustic guitar compares. Do you see the sounding hole and the large resonance chamber? Listen. Can you hear how much louder it is? The waves are adding together and coming out louder through the sound hole. You can always tell an acoustic instrument because it's thicker. We hope you enjoyed this episode. We encourage you to test yourself and watch either one of these wonderful duets on YouTube and see if you can tell if they're playing acoustic or electric instruments. We'll see you later in July on Steam Puffs.